Dji Action 2 Remote Control Extension Rod. The Dji Action 2 Remote Control Extension Rod integrates a tripod, an extension rod, and a DJI remote control pad. The DJI remote control pad can be removed from the extension rod for convenient control. The extension rod can be expanded to a length of up to 37.8 centimeters and retracted to 16.5 centimeters when stored. The 1/4-inch screw on the top of the extension rod is compatible with adapters with 1/4-inch threaded holes. The extension rod has a magnetic slot to attach the DJI remote control pad. Connect the remote control pad to Action 2 via Bluetooth. The remote control pad supports single camera control and multi-camera control, where users can simultaneously shoot with up to 8 cameras. Powering on, off, and shooting. Press and hold the shutter record button for 1 second to power on and off the remote control pad. After powering it on, press once to take a photo or start or stop recording. Connecting to DJI Action 2. After powering on, the remote control pad automatically searches for the camera and connects. The LED status indicator will blink blue. When the camera is found, a verification code appears on both the remote control screen and the camera screen. Tap Accept on the camera screen. The screen of the remote control pad will show that the devices are connected. When successfully connected, the status indicator turns solid green. There is a link button on the side of the remote control pad. When the camera is disconnected from the remote control pad, press and hold the link button. Switching between camera modes. Press the 5D button to enter the camera mode switching screen. Move the joystick left or right to select a camera mode, and press the button to confirm. Using multi-camera mode. Press and hold the link button and the shutter record button simultaneously for 4 seconds to switch between single camera control mode and multi-camera control mode. When selected, the linking process will start automatically. In multi-camera control mode, press the link button once to display the number of cameras connected. In multi-camera control mode, you can choose one mode for all cameras or switch between modes on each camera screen to meet your needs for different camera positions. In multi-camera control mode, press the shutter record button once to take a photo or start recording. Press twice to stop recording. Forgetting existing links. Press and hold the link button and the 5D button simultaneously for 4 seconds to forget the Bluetooth connection and start linking again. Charging. The USB-C port is for connecting to a charger to charge the remote control pad. It takes approximately 55 minutes to fully charge. When charging is complete, the status indicator turns solid green for 6 seconds and turns off.